Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Penzu app is and how it's positioned. Penzu is a digital journaling app designed to help users keep a private diary and record personal thoughts, memories, or reflections in a secure online space. According to the official App Store descriptions, the platform allows users to create journal entries similar to a traditional diary and organize them within a personal digital notebook. The same official descriptions explain that users can also add photos to entries, allowing journal pages to capture moments, ideas, or experiences in more detail. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from the official listing indicates that the app includes tools such as unlimited journal entries, tags, and search features that help organize and revisit past reflections. The platform may also allow journals to sync across devices so entries can be accessed through mobile apps or the web interface. According to official descriptions, Penzu focuses strongly on privacy and includes options such as password protection and encryption to help keep journal entries secure. The developers describe Penzu as a private online diary platform designed to replicate the experience of writing in a personal notebook while keeping entries safely stored online. This app may be useful for users who want a private digital diary where they can write reflections, track memories, or store personal notes. For people interested in journaling apps that emphasize privacy and secure storage, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.